Wide.
That angle, Sagar offered some flying this time. Kadeem trying to go after Sagar. Joshua Bishop and Kadeem Ali getting that opportunity.
What a catch! Unbelievable one-handed stunner. Rohit Paudel running behind. But not this time.
Go after you.
Smashes this right in front. Oh, bowled him. Inside edge.
The brilliant seam position. The wicket went flying. Celebration from this man, Sompal Kami. And Sagar Dakal coming back in. And yes, he just using that popping crease. This time not coming on with that flatter trajectory. Just ball with that straight arm.
Yet again, quicker one. Rohit is everywhere. The first catch of Sagar Dakal, the second one too of Sagar Dakal.
Offered some. You would not consider it as a bad delivery either. It was in a good length area. He was targeting the stumps. There was a fielder being placed therein. And this guy, Roshan Chase, once again keeping it away from
Roshan Chase has been. We have seen him.
Talking about T20, he stayed close to the home, playing only in CPL. Another.
You might see. And that's a wicket.
Didn't get the.
Didn't get underneath that ball.
Know who's gonna do what for the national side, and this is again deposited into the stand. Was again trying to bowl that Yorker, missed the length by a little bit. These batters,
Because Nepal doesn't have much options with death overs. He's probably the
that is a
smashed.
around the wicket angle to good effect. That could be another wicket. He's missed it. The fielder getting underneath it, and an easy
Judged it really well. Easy as you like.
to reverse lap it towards the third man boundary for a 4.
Gives himself some room. Follows him, Avinash.
Has to be below the bat all the time, and that's a good bouncer. Could be another wicket for Sompal.
The Gulmi Express gets going.
Not expecting it.
Cleaned him up. Ultimate over of the innings. Very cheeky. How fine has that gone?
Go hammer and tongue.
Please. Can President, Member Secretary of Nepal Sports Council is in the background. Wonderfully done. Open. Straight up. Fielder underneath it. One too many shots for Kushal. Plays over the third again.
This time around, he gets the meat of the bat. In the previous over, failed it twice, but this time around just got underneath the ball and hit it a mile to the stands.
Asif Sheikh. Nepal's. Oh, this has gone up. High up. And handsome enough.
They're using on this tube pitches.
Asif trying to create room for himself. He goes.
That over bowling. That's huge 6 over mid wicket by Anil Shah.
This time Asif goes. And he goes big. Joshua Bishop coming in, played with that field. He's got to their 112.4 overs. Once again, oh, what a sight to see. And with that, the 50 is up for Asif Sheikh. This is a good sign for Nepal before moving on to...
It's 109 for 2.
It's a shame, really. He was playing so well, Asif. Deserved a 50 today. The ideal test for West Indies. Vintage Kushal Malla. A big partnership with Asif Sheikh. These kind of deliveries will only go one way when Anil Shah is in song, and with that, Anil Shah goes against the turn, but he has found the middle of the bat. Treated ferociously this time by Anil. Massive slog sweep over the mid-wicket boundary. Leading edge, easiest of catches. Cuts that one really hard. Oh, it looks like he'd been batting
Towards the
somewhere.
practice area. He didn't even have to look where the ball went.
Fulls, has he got enough? No, he hasn't. He is a tremendously powerful hitter of the ball. He had his heart in his mouth for a moment. The ball. Lucky runs, but Kushal will take them. It's a nightmare to all the bowlers. It's because he can do this.
If you ball there to Malla, he's gonna.
Cuts this one. Has he found the gap? Yes, he has. This is how he ended the innings and the match and the series. Nepal 3-2, but Nepal have come back really well. Kushal Malla finally has some runs under his belt. He was even prepared for the score of over 200. The crowd, they're loving this. Roston Chase won the toss today as well, decided to bat first. Like it.